When the tree cutters failed, the tree snapped and dragged the person to the trunk. The person fell down. It was a terrifying moment. Van High-How gave the channel a like button and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the upcoming videos. Go to the video. This video is carefully planned and calculated by experienced experts without any mistakes. Oh, no need to buy a new cutter. Luckily, the rope was strong enough to hold the man in the tree. Sometimes giving up and running away is the wise choice in a bad situation. Letting go is the best thing to do when you're at a dead end.
Oh my god.
The house is safe, but not really feasible when the tree stump is large. The tree stump turned coincidentally, just as the artist was about to show off his tree cutting skills. Do you really think he watches superhero movies for more than 180 minutes? Leave a comment below. If my video is broken, your support helps me have the motivation to create more videos and good scripts to send to the community. I love you, guys. Oh, God bless him. Luckily, the camera was not crushed by the tree trunk. The video was made by an expert with many years of experience. People should not imitate it in any way. Oh my God, he is really strong and resilient, facing the height to help people remove the tree trunk that is dangerous to people. He is a hero in my eyes. What about you? Please comment below. A small problem becomes twice as big as before. Because of saving money, the tree cutter and father regretted it too late. The job seems simple, but if you remove it wrongly, the consequences will be very bad. Tomorrow, the tree is small, so you should call a worker. It still seems like he has foreseen the future. Stood and watched the tree fall towards the $1 million house helplessly. Is this a coincidence, or is it the precision with which the craftsman arranged it? Oh my God, it's amazing.
Oh yeah! Hell yeah! What?
When you cut a tree, you often use your skills to express and say everything. I was very scared and shook for the worker, but he was supported by the Virgin Mary. What a coincidence that the big tree trunk welcomed the car enthusiastically.
Very nice.
Oh my God. Cutting trees is a very easy art, but safety depends on how fast you are. Safety protection when working in tall trees is essential for everyone. Cutting trees is a very easy art, but safety depends on how fast you are. I never thought that cutting and chopping trees could be such fun entertainment. You should try and experience it. He lived and grew up with a monkey. There is nothing more beautiful than a tree suddenly coming to life to thank him. I don't know what the hell he does, but he is a master at using a chainsaw to build a nest for all kinds of birds. I am so proud of this hero. High-precision sound of falling trees echoes throughout the forest, preparing for a new season of trees, creating a cool green space for people.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
In these 4 situations, just one small mistake can make the cutters regret. Oh, the image of the tree falling is so cool. The sound of the chainsaw and the falling tree creates a song in the fairy tale, The Boy in the Jungle. Oh no, add another tractor. Running fast is the safest way. It is impossible to forget the heroes who cut trees at a height of nearly 200 meters. Oh no, 1 month of work is just enough to fix the car.
Look.
Cutting trees high up should leave the job to someone with experience. Oh no, he has to take medicine for a week to regain his spirit for the next tree cutting trip. One thing to note, stay away from tree roots. Technology makes heavy work as easy as eating a bowl of porridge. Oh wow, how quickly he doubled the number of plants. Best way to cut down a tree when the men are hiding inside the tree trunk. A family bored in the city went to the forest to have fun. They found a place where the scene was so breathtaking that it flew up to the sky. The land is so light and fast that with effort and speed and precision, the operator is also able to do everything very perfectly. But this machine is limited to one piece created by the locals. Later, maybe everyone will like it, and the company will sign a contract to create more on the market. At that time, everyone should buy one video. Just stop here. Please be generous and create a channel. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video.